Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video I am going to discuss about the relational operators and the Boolean data types. In my previous videos I already said about the arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, mod. That is the arithmetic operator. So today I will say the relational operator. So let's start. Suppose I do print. Suppose I take a value 30 greater than 20. Understand, 30 greater than 20. Relational operator means greater than, lesser than, greater than, equals to, not equals to, greater than, lesser than, equals to. That is called the relational operators. Let me show you. And remember, the output will always come in Boolean. That means true or false. I have copied this. Just I will do this equals to. Let me do lesser than equals to. Let me do this not equals to. And let me do this I will do this in string to show you. Rohit equals to Rohit. Rohit equals to Rohit. Sorry, I made a mistake. Rohit equals to Rohit equals to Rohit. Okay, now let's see the output. And one thing you remember, A equals to B and A equals to B. There is a difference. A equals to B means you are assigning a value, and A equals to B means 20 equals to 20. That's true, then it is right. You have to understand those differences. Let's see this output. See, true, 30 greater than 20, it's true. 30 less than 20, it's false. Again 30 greater than equals to 20, it's true. See next one, 30 less than equals to 20, it's false. Then see 30 not equals to 20, not equals to 20, it's true. And last one also true, Rohit equals to Rohit. Suppose I do here, now I will show you some string. Let's show you some string values. It will be very clear to you all. See, I will get some errors. See, I do Rudro. Suppose I do Rudro equals to. Suppose I do Rohit. Let's do Rohit. Rudro equals to Rohit. Let's see. Rudro equals to Rohit. I made a mistake. I forgot to give here. Okay. Now let's see the output. You will have a clear understanding about the relational operators. See, first one is false because it's not true. The name is interchanging. No, Rudro equals to Rohit. Rudro is someone else. Rohit is someone else. And see the next line. Rohit equals to Rohit. Rohit is going with Rohit. Yes. Now I will show you. If I do equal, see, I will get a error because equal is for assigning the value A equals to B, not for that A equals to B. You have to understand that A equals to B and A equals to B are different. So by this I complete the relational operators. If you like this video, Please subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.